Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to give you my impressions of the DJI Neo drone after having flown it for almost 6 months. In a word, incredible, because this single drone is really multiple drones in one. It's a selfie drone. And what I mean by that is you can put it in your hand without a controller, without your phone, turn it on, pick one of these predetermined flight modes on the top of it. It'll lift off from your hand automatically, complete that pattern, come back and land right back in your hand. And those patterns include a circle around you, flying away from you as it elevates up into the air, maybe chasing you down the road from the front or the back, and it records audio. So if you're thinking about going out and doing vlogs in the field, this is your digital camera person. You don't need somebody with a camera following you around. You can put this up in the air and have it follow you as you walk down that path and talk to your viewers. But it's also a real drone. And what I mean by that is you can fly this with your phone, because when you open up the application, you've got a pair of digital joysticks where you can actually navigate this like a regular drone and fly it all over the place. But you can also use a controller. So you have a choice between the RC-N3 and the RC2. Both of these connect to the drone and allow you to fly it just like you would a standard drone. And you have a choice between them. The N3, you need your phone or a tablet to actually be the display screen. And that's an advantage because you can use a larger tablet and have a really good view. Or you can go with the RC2 that has everything built into the controller. I like this one because it gets the drone up in the air a little bit quicker and it's less stuff to carry around in the field. But you can also fly it as an FPV drone because it connects to the DJI Motion Controller 3 and the new N3 goggles. So you've got this drone out in the field, you've got the goggles on, you've got the motion controller, and you're flying it like an FPV drone. So what more could you ask for? All of those functions are built into a drone that weighs less than 250 grams. It'll fly for 18 minutes. It'll record 4K video at up to 30 frames a second, so it's incredibly cool, the kind of footage it takes. It also has up to 7 kilometers of distance between the drone and the controller. Now it's shorter with your phone, but if you're using a controller up to 7 kilometers away, you can't fly that far in the United States because we have a visual line of sight requirement, which means you have to keep the drone in your line of sight. But knowing you could fly that far means that you've got a really solid signal between the drone and the controller, so you'll never have to worry about it breaking that connection and flying off towards the horizon. I like the fact that on any given day, I can take it out in the field, and if I feel like flying FPV, not a problem. Pop on the goggles and the motion controller, and I'm an FPV pilot. Other days, I have to do a vlog, and I don't have somebody to come along and carry the camera. I put this up in the air, it'll record me, it'll record audio, and I can do my vlog. I like the fact that I can also fly it as a regular drone. I can fly it in the house on those rainy days when I need to improve my stick skills and fly it around the house, going through doors and, chasing the kids around. And it's an incredibly safe drone as well. It's got propeller guards on the top and the bottom, so I have no problem launching it from my hand. If it bounces into the wall, it's going to bounce off. So I'll tell you, this is a brand new design from DJI with the Neo, and I think they've really hit it out of the park. So after having flown it for almost 6 months, I can tell you this is with me every day I leave the house because I'm always finding some incredibly cool place to fly. And having the Neo with me means I'm going to capture some great footage when I'm out there in the field. And that's pretty much all I had for today. So hopefully you found this review helpful. If you're looking to get into the hobby, the DJI Neo just might be the perfect drone for you. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.